Oi.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now it's still happening in Chokchai village. Obeichuan Commune, Ocher district, Mandiminchai province. You might hear the very loud music. And right now, I want to show you here, the number of disciples. The number of disciples here. You could see the number. It goes to like 90 to 100 something. See? This is 90 plus up to 100. It's still happening here at Chokchai village. At Chokchai village. Obeichuan Commune, Ocher district, Bantiai Minchai province. So at this cloud, can you imagine who can sleep when they play this? Can you imagine when you sleeping here and this sound going like 100 something, 100 something, 90 plus to 100. Now come, even I'm talking to you right now, I almost cannot compete. I cannot compete with the sound. My throat is dying because the sound is too loud. The sound is too loud. The sound sound is too loud, ladies and gentlemen. This is a real, this is a real psychological warfare. This is a real crime against humanity. You know what time is it? Right now, it is 11:45. You see? 11:45. Now it is 11:45. You see? 11:45, and they still keep playing this loud music.
This no more.
You see? No sound being played. There is no detection. The vibration is not going up. It's only like 50 to 60. But above 65, it is again human rights violation. Now they have just stopped. As you heard, like, you can hear me very clear. Even though I'm talking, just use my little power, you also can hear me. But earlier, I tried to talk with you like all my power. Still, it cannot be heard like right now, okay? Right now you can hear me very clear. Because why? They are disturbed. But they will not stop for the whole night. They just pause a bit. They just pause a bit when the reporter, when the press getting out of the village, they're gonna play again. Yes, they're gonna play again. So right now, they pause a bit, but they do not stop, ladies and gentlemen. And the villagers is still here. They still keep awake, but they just go to sleep to make sure like when they stop like this, they can get some rest. And when they play, they wake up again. But at least they can take some little rest, some little rest. So right now, the man just wake up because, not just wake up, he been wake up for a long time. Because the speaker plays so loud. And I want to just let everybody know that this kind of activity is a real psychological warfare. This kind of activity is a real human rights violation. This kind of activity is unacceptable. We cannot tolerate this. We have to take this into the account. We have to take this seriously. Everybody has to stand up for this kind of situation. If you word them, what will you respond? If you word them, what will you do? If you word them, how do you feel? Okay? It's not gonna be easy. It's too harsh. It's too harsh for them. And right now at the US, it's gonna be like close to 1 o'clock p.m. something. So this time it's gonna be afternoon in the US. And so I would like the American the Cambodian American, please, you have to watch out this kind of act from Thailand. This is a real propaganda. This is somehow they telling the world, they tell international community that this kind of sound is being played by Cambodia. And I'm wondering, where is it? Where is the speaker? Where is the car speaker? It's only play from Thailand, it only plays from Thailand. From here, we could not see anything. You see? You can just show here. Over there is a barbed wire. You see over there? Over there is a barbed wire. There is nothing there. If we play that music, there must be a car or a speaker over there. There must be a car or speaker over there, but no. There is no speaker, there is no car speaker, there is nothing over there. There is nothing. So I would love to show everyone that sound being played from Thailand. It play from Thailand. From Thailand. How come we play? Because the barbed wire is over there. And they play from other side. Close to the barbed wire. So right now, they will not stop playing. They just pause it. They just pause a bit. And after the reporter, after the press get out of the village, they're gonna play again. You see the motorcycle, he's going over there. You see? There's no speaker here at Cambodia side. There's no speaker. No speaker. None. Not even one. You see? That is Cambodian people. They go to their home. On that mountain. But
bật
hả?
Việc bật
Bắt chắc đấy, bỏ lại một tí. Hai bà đà. Ba đường phí á. Tạm vào vùng sẽ. Mày đã mày
chụp bờ mày để cái mốc mạch đã
nè, nó đã sẵn. Đã tới sẵn. So ladies and gentlemen, please share this live right now, okay? Share the live right now. We are not going away. We gotta stay here with our people. We gotta stay here with our Cambodian people. We gotta stay here to protect our villagers' home, our territory, our sovereignty. So please, everyone, share this live right now, so that the world could see. The world could see Thailand aggressive action. They try to play themselves as the victim. This is something that I could say Thailand is crossing the red line. Thailand is crossing the red line. And too much is too much, you know. Now they pause a bit. And people is awaking. They could not sleep. At my left side, they waking up all time. Yes, all time. ចឹងបងបានឃើញ line នឹងហើយបងប្អូនជួយ share បងប្អូនណាបាទ Please help share the line. This line right now. អូននៅនោះវាអត់ពីហ៎បងប្អូននៅព្រៃច័ន្ទហ្នឹងមិនហិចទេមិញពេលខ្ញុំមកវាពេលខ្ញុំមកវា Via
thằng
nơi chặt khlang là lái bàn tay via ít được play ní món mà này dương tranh máu cứ à play ní vào đấy
lên bọt xây
play và lái vào đấy cái dương là nông mình cái lúa mà bà chỉ miêu xua bong van giá chỉ miêu xua bong miêu xua ban sọc sbài bong nên nó phải chỉ mong chất mùi ngày trắng đó bọn đấy bà mong đọc pi ha sợ bay nhật ti ngày với bọn đấy bà hay xong nhà can lực lực đào bong bồn ở kia nơi group tự ti bong bồn khmer nơi khmer bong bồn khmer nơi chung quanh bị phập lô bong bồn khmer nằm rịch bà chẳng mong đi cứ tật tập hiệp nơi về này cứ bong bồn khơi chạy sài nè cái chào Thái Dương nó cứ chỉ nét đã speaker Thailand accused Cambodia is the one who played the music and I want to ask why we play this music. We play so that Thailand get away from our land or what? Huh? This is my question. Second, where is the speaker? So where is the speaker? Where is it? Yes, where is it? So right now, ladies and gentlemen, the incident occurring at Chokchai village, Obechon commune, Ochra district, Banteay Meanchey province. Banteay Meanchey province. And right now, they pause a bit. They will not stop, they're gonna continue playing. But they just pause a bit. After pausing for some time, like half an hour or 1 hour, they're gonna play it again. They're gonna play it again. Sooner they're gonna play it again. So we will not go away. We will not run away from our people. We gotta stay here with them. We gotta stay here with them. So that we can bring this footage, we could bring this incident to the world to see. Now it is 11:56 a.m. Like we can say middle of the night. It's middle of the night. Right now I'm standing at Chokchai village, Obechon commune, Ochra district, Banteay Meanchey province. And you might not hear anything. You might not hear anything. You might not hear anything because they pause a bit. They pause a bit. Nơi prey chán nó lư khlang rồi. Nơi làm thành lư bị prey chán mà.
vâng lư bên ngoài
nè còn nơi prey chán nhưng mà làm thành lư một đầu này. Và
cái sọng bấy nhiêu là mình
hả? Nên phê mà chắc mình phải đam ở này ta
chăn mưa cái gì chăn mưa là phơi còn
này biết đạn này cái tu sao vậy bà ngày nó đã vui mà Tầm bật pin cho máu không mày? The villager here said how come they sleep if the noise so loud, the sound so horrible. Bong van ra ở con bong phụ nhông lần đấy vì chỉ ca bất hai bóng đài vì lộng bạ vì bán đây thì bà ở con không còn ở con nào bà giúp là bán đây thì cô giúp sang tệp lửa nó đọc pi son hai mà bọn số thầy chỉ chun cam chia run là bạn đi đọc bên nào bọn thằng phiệp đang phèo bọn bọn tham mấy ngày mình về màu chmu côn chờ smile khôn smile chuột đây cái này về pọtปลาลูก็ลองมานะบ้าเนี่ยบางคนได้ซาเลยวิปอาสันเลยวิปอาสันบ้าจังหวะเป็นปฏิกายเทียดเยอะหนึ่งปตอลายผ่านชูนองพอนะบ้าแต่เลยวิปอาจังเลยนั่นนี่อัดลือสำเร็จไอ้บองช่วยด่าเอาลือบองตายัง what is red line here so I would like to tell you that first you know Thailand take control over 6 houses of Cambodian civilian villagers. After that, they put the barbed wire, car tire, black blanket, and they break the ceasefire agreement on the 17th September 2025. So what does it mean? That is crossing the red line. And this 4 consecutive nights, you know, like 4 consecutive nights, they keep playing horrible sound. They keep playing loud music. You know, that is a red line. That's what we call red line. Too much, it's too much. And it's too much, you know. When it's too much, it's too much. That's why I would love to tell everybody, this is over the red line. They cross it. Even those Cambodian people, Cambodian government want to solve this issue by peace talk, peace deal, or at ICJ, International Court of Justice. But Thailand always rejected it. Even those, you know, like a few days ago, the President Donald Trump want to do the peace deal with Cambodia and Thailand. Cambodia, you know, celebrated, Cambodia supported to do the peace deal, peace talk. But you know what, from Thai side, they said no. If Mr. President Donald Trump wants to do the peace talk, he has to force Cambodia to accept the 4 conditions. First, remove all the troops. Second, remove all the weapons. Third, clear all the landmines. And 4, clear up all the scam centers. And everything I can explain. How come we remove our troops, our soldiers, while Thailand is still keeping their troops and their, weapon, heavy weapon, everything along the border? And second, Cambodia land, it is Cambodia choice. Whether we want to clear the landmine or not, it is our choice. It is not your choice. It is not your request. As long as you are not invading our territory, there is nothing that you need to clear the landmine along our border. There is no need. Because you already safe, you already have a good, country. And the 4th one, they asked Cambodia to clear up all the scam center. But you know what, the scam center, the big one, the biggest in Asia, it is in Thailand. Cambodia also, the victim of this situation. So this is the red line that I call. Anyway, they might pause like 1 hour or something. I don't want to disturb everyone at this time. So ladies and gentlemen, please have a good night rest and see you when they have another activity. Goodbye for now.